You ever see a pattern that's just perfect? Like it seems almost magical? Well, it turns out a lot of those incredible designs aren't magic at all. They're based on a single, really powerful rule. It's like a secret code hidden in art, in nature, and even in engineering. So let's unlock it together. Let's find out the secret of symmetry.
Okay, let's start with this design right here. It's so intricate and colorful, isn't it? It's perfectly balanced, kind of like a butterfly's wings or a flower. Now, you might think an artist spent hours and hours getting this just right, but you'd be surprised by how it was really made.
So, how is it possible? How do you create something so complex, so perfectly symmetrical, without having to painstakingly draw every single line on both sides? What's the secret behind this thing?
Well, the secret is actually super simple. It's something you can easily try yourself. All you do is fold a piece of paper in half, then you add a few drops of paint or ink right along that fold. Press it all together, let it squish around, and when you open it up, bam! You've got a perfectly mirrored masterpiece. Yeah, it really is that simple.
So, what's actually going on here? What's the scientific principle at play? Well, that simple fold, that is the entire key. We can call it the magic mirror line, and it's the whole secret to creating these perfect patterns.
That fold in the paper is really the heart of the magic, and in geometry it has a special name. It's called a line of symmetry. You can think of it like an invisible rule that guarantees whatever happens on one side is perfectly mirrored on the other. And that's how you get that flawless balance.
So, what exactly is a line of symmetry? It's pretty straightforward. It's an imaginary line that divides a shape into two identical halves. And by identical, I mean they are perfect mirror images of each other. If you were to actually fold the shape along that line, the two halves would match up perfectly.
Now, this whole idea of symmetry isn't just for making cool art. Right here you can see our ink blot pattern right next to a paper airplane. See that dotted line? They're both built around a central line of symmetry. For one, it creates something beautiful. For the other, it's all about function. It helps it fly. It just shows you how versatile this whole concept is.
All right, so let's dig a little deeper into that whole function idea. We're going to see how symmetry isn't just about looking good. It's absolutely critical for making things work, and there's no better way to see that than with flight.
Just think about making a paper airplane, right? Every single fold you make on one side, you have to do the exact same thing to the other side. You're basically making a whole series of symmetrical folds, and that's essential for creating the balance the plane needs to actually fly straight.
And that brings up a really good question, doesn't it? What would actually happen if the plane wasn't symmetrical? You know, if one wing was longer than the other, or maybe folded a little differently. Could it even fly at all?
You know what? Here's a fun mission for you. Go try it. Build one paper airplane that's perfectly symmetrical. Then make a second one, but this time make it asymmetrical on purpose. Maybe one wing is bigger or bent. Now, go fly them both and just watch what happens. You'll see pretty quick why symmetry is so crucial for stable flight. Okay, so we've seen symmetry in art and in flight, but this mirror line concept, it's all around us, and a lot of times in really clever and unexpected ways. Once you start looking for it, you'll find it hiding in plain sight.
Here is a perfect example. I'm sure we've all seen an ambulance, but have you ever paid super close attention to the front of it? The word ambulance is written completely backwards. Why on earth would they do that?
It's actually a brilliant real-world application of that mirror line idea. The text is printed in reverse, so that when a driver in front looks in their rearview mirror, the reflection flips the letters back around, making the word ambulance perfectly readable. It's a really clever use of symmetry that actually helps save lives. And hey, this whole mirror effect thing, it applies to numbers too. Take the number 181. Its mirror image is 181. It looks exactly the same. But a number like 123, in a mirror, it's just a jumbled mess. It's because some numbers, like 1 and 8, are symmetrical, while others, like 2 and 3, just aren't. So, now that you've seen the power of symmetry in art, in flight, and even on our roads, it's time for one last challenge to test your new skills. You ready? All right, here's your final puzzle. Guess my number. It's a 3-digit number near 120 whose mirror image is the same number. So think about it. Which digits are symmetrical? This is a fun little riddle, but it's also a great example of how this one idea, symmetry, is woven into the fabric of our world. So what other hidden symmetries are out there just waiting for you to find them?